Hello, we got the Busybody book. It's a kid's guide to fitness by Lizzie Rockwell. Busybodies bounce up and down. They stretch from side to side and run all around. They catch and throw. They push and pull. They pedal. They paddle. They roller skate too. When you get busy, what do you do? Your body is meant to be busy. It's meant to move fast, lift heavy things, and walk or run for miles. Just look at it. You have hands for clapping, feet for stamping, legs for leaping, and arms for swinging. You can jump, sprint, twist, and twirl. You can do all of that because your body is built to move. Underneath your skin is a strong, hard skeleton made of bones. Bone keeps your body standing tall. Joints connect bones so they can bend. See the skeleton? That's what our body looks like under our skin and our muscles. So your skull, which is up here, protects your brain. Your teeth are only part of your skeleton that you can see. The spine is made up of many small bones connected by joints so you can bend and twist. The ball and socket joint is in your shoulder so your shoulders can move in a circle. You have a hinge joint right here, which means you can bend your elbow. Your ribs protect your heart and your lungs. You have a ball and socket joint here in your hip, which means your hip can move around in all kinds of directions. Your thigh bone right here is the longest bone in your body. And half of the bones in your body are in your feet and your hands. We have a whole bunch of bones in our feet and our hands. Muscles are attached to bones by tendons. Muscles let you move and lift and stretch. When you use your muscles again and again, they don't get worn out. Instead, they get stronger. The muscles are like this. So this is what muscles kind of look like. This is what our body looks like under our skin, but on top of our bones. Let's see. Facial muscles that are in our face, help us smile. They help us blink. They help us chew, and they help us talk. And triceps, which are your Popeye muscles, like I always show me your muscles. The muscles up here, those are your biceps, and they help you lift up heavy stuff. Your triceps are on the bottom of your arm right here, and they help you to push open a door, okay? Your gluteus maximus is a large muscle on your bottom, and it's super strong. And you have muscles in your stomach, which is why we do sit-ups in class, so we can build up our abdominal muscles. Then we have quadriceps, which if you hit the top of your thigh, it's really usually pretty hard because that's one of the largest muscles in your body. And they help you walk, and they help you lift your leg up. You have over 630 muscles in your body, which is a whole lot of muscles. Inside of your skull sits your incredible brain. Your brain controls every move that you make and thinks. Oh, sorry, that didn't make sense. Your brain controls every move you make and thinks your thoughts. It gets information about the world from your 5 senses. Then it tells your muscles what to do and how to move. Messages travel back and forth at lightning speed along wire-thin fibers called nerves. It's kind of like your body's highway, okay? The brain and the nerves. The brain is made up of the cerebellum, the cerebrum, and the brainstem. It is the largest part of your brain, the cerebrum is, and it controls your thoughts and your movements. The brainstem, which is right at the base of your head, like right back here where your ponytail would go if you were a girl, that controls your breathing and your heartbeat. One of the parts of your brain controls your balance, and your spinal cord protects all of the nerves in your body. And your five senses are sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. Can you see them? There you go. That one looks better. Okay. Your body is an amazing living machine, and it only needs a few things to make it go, like air to breathe. We breathe in through our nose and our mouth, and food to eat, and water to drink. These things come into your body through your mouth or your nose. But when they do, where do they go, and what do they do next after they come in through your mouth or your nose? When you breathe, your lungs collect oxygen from the air. Your muscles need oxygen so that they can move. Your brain needs oxygen so it can think. When you breathe in, you get fresh air. When you breathe out, you get rid of stale air. So this is a picture of what your lungs look like inside of your body. Your esophagus, your throat, brings food to your stomach. Your tongue helps you swallow. There's a little special valve in the back of your throat. And if you're ever eating and talking at the same time, and then all of a sudden you're kind of choking on your food, that means that food has gone out of your air, like out of your esophagus, which takes food to your tummy, and it's gotten to where the air goes into your lungs. So that's why you cough and you cough and you cough, because food's not supposed to be in our lungs. So our body tries to keep us safe, and it tries to make us cough and cough and cough until we get the food out of there, just to be safe. Okay. And these are what your lungs look like, and your lungs carry all of the oxygen, and that's how you get all the oxygen to all the parts of your body. The heart moves oxygen from your lungs to other parts of your body. Your heart pumps blood through long, thin tubes called vessels. The blood picks up oxygen in the lungs and carries it to your muscles and to your brain. When your body gets busy, it uses more oxygen, and your heart beats faster and your lungs breathe deeper. Like when you go and you play outside on the playground and you're running around and playing with all of your friends, when it's time for y'all to go back inside, you should be breathing harder than you were when you first went outside. And that means that you're making your body work hard, and your body needs more oxygen. And that's natural, and that's a good thing. Okay. This is what your heart and your blood vessels look in your body. As you can see, your heart's in the center of your chest, and then there's all those red and blue lines that go all over the whole body. And all over the whole body, they're dropping off oxygen and picking up not bad oxygen, but the remaining parts of oxygen, because your body may have used up all the oxygen out of it, and it's got to get out. So the red and the blue is the pathway for our blood. That's the best way to explain it. As blood travels through your body, it also picks up food and water from the intestines. Then it delivers them where they are needed. Food gives your body energy. Your muscles use energy to move. Your heart uses energy to pump, and your brain uses energy to think. Food also supplies the materials that build bone and muscle. The stomach and the intestines. When you take a bite of food, it goes into your mouth, and you grind the food up with your teeth. You grind the food up with your teeth, and it mixes with your saliva, which is your spit, and your esophagus. You swallow it, and it goes down into that tube. And when it goes down into the tube, the tube pushes it down all the way down into your stomach. Okay. The stomach mixes the food with all this stuff in your tummy, and it starts breaking it down into like soup. And then from there, it goes into your small intestines, and then that's where your body starts absorbing all of the vitamins and the minerals that your body needs to make you strong. And then it eventually will end up in your large intestine, and all the unused food in our body that our body didn't use, or it's used everything it can use, then it'll go into your large intestine, and then that's when you go to the bathroom and you get rid of it. So it's a natural process. All living things need water to survive. There's water in your muscles and around your brain. It is the main ingredient in your saliva, sweat, urine, and blood. Because your blood is mostly water, it can easily flow in and out of your heart and through your vessels. The path it travels is called the bloodstream. See how they're drinking lots of water? They're using the hose, filling up their cups because they're outside playing soccer. Fun. When your body works hard, it gets hot and sweaty. Sweat is water that seeps through your skin to cool you off. The busier a body is, the more water it needs. That's why when one of your questions in here is, did you work hard? And I say, how do y'all know? And you go, whoo, I'm sweaty. I know if you're sweaty that you worked hard, because that's your body's way of cooling you back down. A busy body works hard. After a while, it needs to rest. And rest lets your body heal and grow and get ready for another day. And that's why you going to bed at a good time and getting a good night's rest is so important, because that's when your body repairs itself and gets bigger and stronger and taller and healthier and all that good stuff. Sleep is so important. A body that gets busy each day stays strong, healthy, and happy. There are lots of ways to be a busy body. Look at all those things on there. There's so many things. There is frisbee, fly a kite, football, skiing, ride your scooter, cheerleading, ride your bike, work in the garden, go sledding, play soccer, swimming, ride your horse, walk your dog, do yoga, ride your skateboard, ice skate, rake leaves, go hiking, lift weights, swing on a swing, jump, shovel snow, play tennis, ride a tricycle, go rollerblading, do sit-ups, dance, clean the floor, play baseball, hula hoop, climb a tree, go to karate, be in the marching band, run a race or run track, jump rope, play basketball, skipping, gymnastics, kayaking, and stretching. So many fun things to do. Which is your favorite? So when you watch this, when you're done watching this, just think of it and think of all the fun things you and your body do, and which one is your favorite. I hope y'all enjoyed this one. I think this is a good way to help y'all start understanding how important your body is. We only get one body in our whole entire life. So if we start taking care of it when we're young, it'll be strong and healthy even when you get old like me. So I hope y'all enjoyed this one. I will see y'all soon. Bye-bye.